Thank you guys for coming.
Hi. Thank you.
Beautiful day out. We thought it was gonna be cold and we are gonna have to set this place on fire, but it's great right now. It was chilly. But without you guys, we wouldn't be where we are today. Obviously, I know you guys put a lot of hard work. Yeah, Ricky, you shake it. I know. Your pictures, dope. But we, as a Drift HQ, pretty much like wanna bring you guys to the light.
Pump in it. Do a little pump action. They're risking and they're spending their own money and their own time to come take pictures for us. They don't charge, so we're gonna give it back. When we contacted you guys, we asked if it was okay, but we just explained right now. They come in, as soon as they wanna get in the car, they get in the car. If you wanna let them drive, let them drive. You guys said it was okay. Let's have a great time and give back to them, because today's their day. We're here to make sure they have fun and have fun together with them. Gonna break my car, that car. And the tires are like right at the very end, so if you start to hear them like slapping, stop, because they'll could blow the fenders up. How's that? Tight? Tight or loose?
from the fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon. I should fuck her with my friends. Niggas say they run my hometown. I don't know how I'm a prince. Ball. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon. I should fuck her with the best. Niggas say they run my home.
What's up? I'm waiting to go in. I'm waiting for his dad to go. It's taking forever, and then I'll get to drive an R7.
I know how to control
my car would potentially feel
like. I know how where the brake is and where.
Yeah. Been practicing a lot on a 747. Yeah, I drove that car pretty easy, and then I drove Alex Slagel's car even more easy than that because it's a V8. It's 13. I don't like 240s, but that's why I'm pretty excited to actually go drive this. Not that.
So it's not a 240.
It's not a 240.
Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Better put on a helmet. Nice donuts. Hi.
Is there any tire left? Hey, look at the tires. Is there a tire left? Please. No.
He's gonna win FD by himself. He's gonna win FD, bro. Come on. Do that again.
Oh, it's W. Our
yeah,
boy,
Kevin!
Our boy Kevin.
Boom!
Like, did that legit. Boom! Not doing that.
No, Kevin!
Not doing that.
Nope, nope.
Go!
Don't talk, check back, check later. Fuck man, I don't cater. Call 10 times for the waiter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bitch later. Don't talk, check back, check later. Fuck man, I don't cater. Call 10 times for the waiter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bitch later. Don't talk, check back, check later. Fuck man, I don't cater. Call 10 times for the waiter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bitch later.
this in vertical, dude.
Like everything else.
So you blew it up?
No, it's alright.
Gun skis right now? Oh, listen. Oh, geez, look over here.